Abusa when say about cartoon creation mu you another style your friend 2D low poly cartoon animation. Yes, you the geometric shapes and it create some videos no every pa and no e ho komo any baby. And ma be cho how smartphone the way video bet me create such videos and so dem ho using free apps and artificial intelligence. Me did go come so me try AI oh pi me ntina no me kasa nya tintin no. Ma create one of the videos using this 2D low poly cartoon style no awia you be kwa ba na ma show step by step guide me kweti side video so now yenko video ni browse here.
Kwaku Maxwell, how are you? Hey, bring that back right now. Stop that sheep.
Hey, get back here. That's mine. Bah! Oh, you little rascal. Stop. Drop the fruit. I said, drop it.
You're supposed to ask if you want some.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry, you have been forgiven.
Ma, thank you, Kwaku Maxwell.
Life is tasty like something.
Did you know with as low as 120 Ghana cedis, you can create endless AI videos without ever showing your face on a camera? Yes, you can.
By joining the Kwaku Maxwell AI class in September, you can also create such videos like the one you are watching. You will be learning AI video generation, AI graphic designing, and video editing, all in 2 days. The class is purely tutorials on WhatsApp.
Take the chance and learn AI in 2026 with Kwaku Maxwell. Click the link below and register now. Can't wait to see you in class.
Welcome back. Video na was created with artificial intelligence. Now baby nim say about cartoon stories and one 3D ni realistic now no sawo this 2D low poly style so baby show very simple kwa. So now remember straight to my ChatGPT na me show how we create it from scratch. Now over ChatGPT say anete maybe the kind of idea no ebe man say maybe create story be me 2D low poly cartoon form Zima blue aesthetic retro bra 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 and I'm a designer and I say me narrative me story no and so the man me say the story is me. Yes, I'm the main character Kwaku Maxwell. I was holding a basket of oranges and a sheep removed one and I was running after it. Also I want money he or she. I was running after it. It jumped a wall. I also jumped and met it eating the orange. And I said, you're supposed to ask, you want some? Yes. And the sheep said, Ma'am, I'm sorry. And I said, don't worry, you have been forgiven. And the sheep smiled and said, Ma, thank you, Kwaku. So this is an idea. But the ChatGPT say, I'm building no, na me mfanya story. And so I'm using 2D low poly cartoon form. So ChatGPT about the story no, and so I'm to read this the form concept now. You were the title, The Sheep and the Orange. You were genre African comedy, short fiction. Yes, and you also a 60 seconds to 90 seconds video. And you be a home and como. Visual style new 2D low poly animation, retro futurist, and also a shahonum. Until now, yemra the scene by scenes now. ChatGPT at the mind based on idea now. Me de manene storyline and as a concept bese me create side video no enso film. So ChatGPT atwo ne bo she bibia mama me dialogues ni nyina. Now this is the character design. Entire me share how am moving nyina e wa ha aponche no odwan so de e wa na environment no ni nyina so e wa so now first scene e na wa ha no scene by scene. Scenes in creative visuals, yes, and so create some character sheet and so edit emano. And to me prompt in ready scene by scene in ready na me side me ankasa me image emano. As my catch ChatGPT say movie na ebe creating but say me am de me ho the main character in the movie. And to me the image no ema ChatGPT say na me side inscription be account say use the image and add the code for the character sheet. So me mano character design no ewa ha ene wo no Kwaku Maxwell ni ma me pese wo ye me and I'm there aboa no so de kind of environment ni nyina me de kan ho se de visuals ne ba e be look how me so me pe no enti me wie no ana ChatGPT design character sheet e de ema me. So this is the character sheet now e ba be load ewa ha no. Yeah, so this is the character sheet. Into where sheet ni so a yewo me ankasa me wa ha, that's the main character wa ha na edin wa ha, ana full body wa ha, your facial expressions wa ha na aboa no so de nie, aboa no actions ni poses na obe use no ni nyina e wa ha, na wo hwe ha no ma ye scene by scene na wo de ahye ho ni nyina is in the character sheet. So me wie ye no ana see that bibia ne ye no me de all the prompt no scene by scene images no e call flow AI, me call design images ni nyina e wo flow AI. Me wie no na me side design scene by scene visuals e wo flow ho no na me keka ni nyina bo ma e call sa visuals na okay. So we no very simple. The we here a prompt na me de this video no ana me so ma share say prompt me dem so upa just let me know under the comment section and I'll drop you the prompt. Let's try your hands editing for this issue. You create be so FMA. Me did go come so because just me adman 7th and 8th September the AI masterclass. Oh, what's up? Yes, a full tutorial class. Mo ka mo nyamre na mo nya ho ma no join this class tutorial. Me drop videos back to back amamo. I am gonna make sure my deal free mamoti yes na dey wo tu a make sure. So also join class na say YouTube na here or description say Facebook so link in our comment section as wait slot. Yes, where we start from now to 7th September. Very soon, man, make close registration. No more or more, but taking it from there, I'm no more idea. So try your hands on this. Yes, making sure it's obey the prompts. Now they are yourself far. Come back to the comment section. I can say, quite cool. Papa. Me did go come. See you in our next video.